guys, it is Patrick, and today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Starbucks Oreo Frappuccino from your own home. So to make this recipe, you're going to need some Oreos or some knockoff Oreos like I have here. You're going to need some iced coffee, and I really like the Starbucks dark roast blend. You're going to need some milk. Now you can use like cow milk or soy milk or almond milk or coconut milk, whatever kind of milk you want. And that's pretty much it. So to make the crushed Oreo topping, you're going to put 2 Oreos into a blender, blend it up, and within 5 seconds, your Oreos are going to be crushed and ready to top the Frappuccino. So to make the actual drink, you're going to put about 1.5 cups of ice into a blender, and as you can see right here, I was struggling. Why am I putting this ice in so creepily, like ew? Then you're going to pour 1 cup of milk on top of the ice, and then next you're going to put 1/2 cup of that iced coffee in here, like so. And then you're going to put 3 Oreos into the actual drink, y'all. This is so good. And then the secret ingredient is xanthan gum. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Get it in your grocery store. It's going to prevent this from being too like liquidy. So then you're going to blend this up until it is the consistency that you want it, and it only takes about like 30 seconds. And then once it's ready, you're going to take it off of the blender, get your Starbucks cup, pour this into your Starbucks cup. This looks so good. I want to drink it right now. Then you're going to pipe some whipped cream on top of this. You can use the store-bought stuff, or you can like make it yourself, do whatever. Just pipe it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then you're going to sprinkle the crushed Oreo topping on top of the whipped cream. And then you are done. This was so easy to make. I hope you guys try this. If you do, let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.